how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can create multiple Shopify store on one account. So this is the useful feature for them who can manage multiple store and expand your business without any difficulties like managing different accounts for each. So this can be helpful to you. So let's get started. So at first you'll have to open the Shopify store on your any browser. So like in my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser. So now for the multiple store, you'll have to go for the options like my store, like it will appear in the top right corner of the app. So simply click on this my store. And here you got the option like all stores, like it will appear in the second. So simply click on this all store. And on this pop-up window, you will see all of your stores that you have been created. Like in my case, I have only one store. So if you want to create multiple stores here, so simply click on this create store. So now from here, you'll have to customize your business plan. Okay, like I'm doing this random normally. Okay. So likewise, your as usual specific criteria. I'll decide later. Okay. So now we are all set. So now I have successfully created another store on my Shopify account. So like you can see from here and from all store, like here you can see there are two Shopify store that I have been created. So likewise, you can also create multiple stores on one Shopify account. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more such tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.